Hello guys, I want to show you how you can make money from your TikTok videos if you want to make money from your TikTok videos. So just follow my instruction on what you have to do to start making money with TikTok. So first, you need to go to your Google Play Store. So once you're on your Google Play Store, you need to search for this application that is say Current App. This is the application. You find Current App. Install it if you have not installed the application. So once you have installed the application, which is Current App, click on it and register with your Gmail and password. Make sure you remember your password and your Gmail because that is how you are going to be using to get paid with that Gmail you use. So you make sure you have your PayPal account created. So that is how you can make money with this application, which is Current App. If you want to, it's an application that allows you to listen to music, take survey, answer questions, you get paid. But I'm going to show you how you can make money through this application from TikTok. So that is the reason why you are on this video. So once you have registered and you have entered your password and email, you have logged into your account, then you need to go to this area on this application, which is called Current App. So this is the application Current App. Once you land on the application, you need to click on this section that say these, that have this icon. Click on this section here, and you need to scroll up a little bit and push it to the left. Push it to the left again. Push it to the left and scroll up a little bit. You'll find TikTok. You click on TikTok. You will read everything through. Say download TikTok and end from your videos. You say download World No one short video app. Turn on live gifting when you scream a video and receive coin from your followers. Redeem coin for paper cash. That is what I'm saying to you. And this session, you say how. So this is how you can really follow the instruction to be able to get this money. So look how it works. You say 1, click on get D to install and register on TikTok. That is what you need to do. And turn on, then 2, you say turn on live gifty while live streaming on your videos, which means if you are doing live stream on your video on TikTok, you need to make sure you turn your live your gifty on, so that your followers we offer you a coin. So then 3, you say get rewarded in coin from your followers. That is what you need to know. That is what I'm saying again. So it's your followers that we give you this coin for free. And you say go to account settings, balance, and redeem your coin for paper cash into cash. So you can convert it into dollars, which is the money will be sent into your paper account. So if you come down here, you say about, then the bottom you say join. No one short video destination is the word on TikTok. Short form video are exciting, spontaneous. It doesn't matter the type of video you are doing or type of things you are doing, you can still make money on TikTok. So yeah, if you come down here, you can read everything through. If you come down and see details, it's a new user only. So you need to make sure you have to be a new user to be able to use this method. So yeah, that is everything I need to talk about on this short video. So you can go now and start using this method to make money from TikTok for free. So yeah. And yeah, that is everything I need to talk about. And if you scroll back, if you go back here, if you click on redeem, you will see that you can cash out your money into paper or into your Coinbase account from your Current App account. If you start listening to your music and you want to redeem your money, you can redeem your money into your paper account. So yeah, that is everything I need to talk about on this short video. And I will say thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Hi, are you looking for a place to shop online? Just come to www.getincame.com. So as you can see here, you can find any type of t-shirt, joggers, polo. You can find them on their website, which is www.getincame.com. So if you come to the top share, you can search for any product. You can click on this icon here and click on store. So when you click on store, you find a bunch of collection and different design that they have. So what are you waiting for? Just go and start using Getincame to shop online, and they will deliver your product to you within 15 days. So all you just need to do now, the link will be in the description below. So go now and start shopping with Getincame.com.